Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'll be showing you how to set video volume on CapCut. How to adjust the volume on CapCut. So actually it's a very simple thing to do. And the first thing that we need to do is head over to our CapCut app, of course. So right now we're gonna be heading over to our CapCut app. So let's scroll over there and find our CapCut app. So this is a video that is actually very loud. I don't want you hearing it. I'm gonna lower the volume for this one. Let's change the volume for this one. Okay, click on the video, head over to volume right here, just scroll down, and now you can be given the option to either mute it, and now it's gonna be muted as shown by the icon over here that says X, or you can full the volume and just blast your ears off, right? Yes, it's really that's easy. That's how you adjust the volume for your videos on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.